Hi there. You are receiving this very special video message because you are new to sponsoring and exhibiting at Channel Partners Conference and Expo, or you haven't in some time. My name is Jeanette Andre. I am your marketing point of contact for Channel Partners events. This will be a super quick, speedy video tutorial of one of the marketing benefits you have as you're involved in our event this March. The Partner Appreciation Campaign, or PAC as we call it, allows you to reach out to your network of partners, let them know that you're coming to the show, and you can give them a discount on passes to attend. When you sign on to the event, you are automatically enrolled in the PAC campaign. As a PAC member, you receive these things. One, a promo code that you can provide to your network that gives them a free expo only pass or a discount on conference and all access passes. Now, this promo code does work for partner business types only: MSPs, SIs, VARs, technology advisors. It does not work for suppliers who are registering for the event using your code. Two, we have customized social graphics that you can share. Just download them right from your dashboard and they have your logo and promo code on them, so they're ready to use. Three, we have an email template. You can send it out directly from your dashboard, or you can download the HTML, customize it, and send it to your network that way. Either way, it's a great way to start with lots of the juicy information already in the body of the email. And four, we have a personalized landing page that you can direct your network to. This includes your promo code, what discount they'll get on passes, more information about the event, all in one place. This also tells them how to connect with you at the event. Your dashboard is where you can find all of this information. You can download your link to the landing page and your social graphics in your email template. You can also edit your information in your dashboard as well. To make this successful, we work with a platform called Feather. So if you get an email from the @feather.co domain, don't worry, it is from us. And it's a reminder about the campaign and any of the links you might need. You'll also see emails from me, Jeanette Andre, so pay attention to those. I'll include a lot of deadlines as well. I don't bite, so let me know if you have any questions or if you have ideas on more marketing materials. Let's collaborate. I look forward to making this the best event of the year.